Welcome to the green heart of Italy. I'm standing here on a glorious day. It's quite hazy because it's warm. My dog's there wagging her tail at me, as usual, wanting to play. I'm in the Maiella National Park. It is the perfect location for retreats. We are in between the mountains, which you can see here. This is one of the smaller gorges and one of the smaller mountains. And the opposite direction, to the east, down there, is the Adriatic Sea. And there are some stunning ancient villages and towns that we can visit. Plenty of choice for activities if you wish to partake. It's your retreat, so you get to choose exactly what it is that you want to do on your retreat. Whether that's just connecting with nature, enjoying the wildlife and the flowers, or whether that's something a little bit more active. Horse riding, hiking, kayaking, sailing, plenty of different options for you to suit anybody's interests. And of course there'll be some powerful, profound coaching and some practices and tools, as well as plenty of downtime for you to reset, restore and refresh your soul.